Hello guys, this boy Binky from How to PC. Today I walk you through how to fix Chrome is getting black screen. The step is very easy. You go to Chrome and hit in the top right corner you have three dotted. Click on it and go to setting. From setting, go to advanced. From advanced, go to system. And the system you need to disable that use hardware creation when available. You need to disable that and relaunch it the Chrome. You see, we open again, and the second step is not working. You need to go to extension by clicking the top right corner. You have sorry, you have go to setting. From setting, looking for extensions. We're looking for extensions here. Click on it. You need to disable it by one to know what blocking is crash your fire Chrome, I mean, like that. And you need to close the Chrome and see if that extension is make a black screen. If not, you have the second step is reinstall the Chrome by clicking that and go to, let's see, go to shares field and go to Google Chrome. Right click on it and go to uninstall. You see, you need to uninstall Google Chrome and uninstall it again. That may fix the problem. And this video for today, guys, I hope it helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to see new stuff, and see you next time, guys. Bye bye.